everyone, welcome to another episode of Pass the Salt. Today we're in beautiful Palmer Township, right outside of Easton. We're here to visit DM Sushi. So let's go inside and talk to Tom and Donny and find out what makes their place so special. So we're sitting here today with Tom, who's running DM Sushi. This place is beautiful on the inside. First of all, we'll start there. If you guys haven't been here yet, you definitely want to check it out. It's really, really nice on the inside. So Tom, tell us a little bit about your restaurant.
Well, DM Sushi really wanted to be a cut above the rest of other Asian food restaurants in the area. Donny, the restaurant owner, actually opened this up a good 10 years ago at this point. And moving from New York, where he worked as a sushi restaurant chef. At the time. And he wanted to kind of bring that experience from New York to a little bit more of a rural area, not quite as metropolitan as something like New York City.
Gotcha. Makes sense, makes sense. And if you could let everybody know, why did you guys choose Palmer?
Well, at the time, he had a lot of family, Donny had a lot of family up in New York, and he also had some relatives that lived down in Philadelphia. So this whole Easton area, and Palmer in specific, was just excellent because he was able to maintain his own business, and be able to still visit family relatively easily at the same time.
And now tell us a little bit about, you know, what would make you guys a cut above other Asian restaurants in the area? Like what's so good about your food?
Well, we try to make absolutely everything that we can in-house. So everything from our signature ginger dressing that we put on our salads and avocado salads, it's all made in-house with only fresh ingredients, nothing's canned or anything like that. We also try to make sure that the quality of our fish is the top level that we can get in this area.
So what type of rolls would you say are unique to this restaurant as opposed to, you know, any other restaurant that you can't get somewhere else?
Well, we do things a couple of different ways. I think our most unique roll that we have is the Osaka Sushi Box. That one, instead of using either the traditional nori as a binding agent along the outside or soybean paper, it's actually layered in a bamboo box and then slightly compressed in order to hold its form. So it gets a nice, unique kind of look to the sushi, but it also has a certain tenderness that most sushi doesn't have as well.
And how has this community here embraced you guys, and how has it affected you guys?
Well, we try to be as much part of the community as we possibly can. Just recently, we did a Dine to Donate program for the Easton Area High School. We're planning on doing a couple of more Dine to Donate programs moving forward. We really want to try to bring the community into DM Sushi as much as we want the community to, you know, be a part of us.
That sounds really, really good, man. And so now tell us, what are you gonna make for us today?
Well, today I think we're going to make the Osaka Sushi Box that I mentioned earlier. It's an excellent roll, and I think it's not just unique, but it presents itself beautifully.
Cool. So let's go take a look so you guys can see exactly how they make it, and maybe you could try it at home with your family.
This is Donny Chen, the owner and restaurant chef as well at DM Sushi. Right now, Donny is making the Osaka Sushi Box. It's one of our more unique rolls. He's starting off with some fillets of yellowtail and salmon. Most sushi will use the seaweed paper known as nori, but the Osaka box is prepared without that. Instead, you're gonna see Donny layer in fillets of yellowtail and salmon at the bottom of this little bamboo box. The next step is he's going to put in a layer of our sushi rice. Now, after that sushi rice is in place, the next step is for us to pull out our spicy tuna. In order to make that, all we do is take our regular sushi grade tuna, slice it up into a minced state. Then we mix that with some masago, which is fish eggs, and some of our spicy mayo. Now, the final step of the basic construction of the Osaka Sushi Box is to put on that last layer of sushi rice. So now he's gonna wrap it over and then use that top part to compress it down. This is what's gonna make it hold its shape. Now you can see here we've got pretty much the basic structure of the Osaka Sushi Box. Now comes all of the fancy accoutrement. So Donny's gonna now take it and slice it into equal-sized portions. As he's cutting it, it kind of wants to change form. So what he does is use that bamboo mat to bring it back to that lovely rectangular shape that we had in the beginning. Right now he's drizzling on the spicy mayo. Most people know it as yum yum sauce. That is our eel sauce, our wasabi mayo, Now we're gonna garnish this with some of our masago, and for a little extra flavor, freshly minced scallions. And finally, he finishes with some pickled ginger, and of course, the ever spicy wasabi. And there you have the DM Sushi Osaka Sushi Box.
Wow, if you're a sushi lover, you definitely want to get down here and try it out. If not, definitely try the recipe at home with you and your friends. It really, really is good. We'll see you guys again for another episode of Pass the Salt in 2 weeks. Talk to you soon.